Have you had a chair that wobbles? I mean, most of the chairs wobbles after a while. I've installed this a few months ago, and then I noticed this chair is wobbling because this leg is loose. If I don't take care of it, things might happen. You know, the chair might break, and I may not be able to use it again. So I have a little trick I'm going to share with you that's going to save you a lot of money. You don't have to buy a new chair. This nail polish is still wet, right? And you tighten it, the nail polish is eventually going to dry. So it's going to create a layer, barrier between the thread and the screw, okay? Between the female and the male thread, it's going to dry. So any kind of movement will be prevented. So it will prevent any kind of movement that will cause the screw to loosen. Best thing was for me to do is to add this nail polish. It have to be nail polish. You know, you could even use paint if that's what you have, but nail polish are convenient, they're easy, and they work very well. They sell something called Loctite. You could go to any auto repair shop or in any hardware store, ask them for Loctite. So you could even use Loctite, but you know, most people don't have Loctite. If you do, that's great. If not, nail polish, I'm sure you have nail polish somewhere around the house. So I found this nail polish and I'm using it. It doesn't have to be, because what you want to do is you want to get in between the two threads. So once you have it, you just saved yourself a lot of money and effort. You don't have to do this again. It's not going to come loose. You just go ahead and put everything back. So I found another leg, same situation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to put nail polish on both of them. Once I do that, I'll save myself so much time and hassle. And you know what? It's not only for the chair. It's not only for this kind of screws. You could use nail polish for any kind of screw, and anywhere that you think there might be vibration, there might be any kind of movement, and you don't want the screws to come out, go right ahead. Put a layer of nail polish there on the screw and tighten it. It'll save you time and money in the long run. So this is it's a quick tip I wanted to share with you. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to this channel, share it with anyone that you think might benefit. Wait, before you go, I have one more tip. If you live nearby Dollar Tree, you see this tool I'm using? I got it from Dollar Tree. It comes in very handy. Just leave it in your kitchen drawer. Whenever it comes loose, you just use this tool and tighten it. It doesn't cost much. Similar tool, you get it from hardware store, it's going to cost you a little bit more.